Come on in. Come on, 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 come on. Come on, come on. Come on in, come on. Now what's wrong with them? They're ready to take off, that's what's wrong. They're ready to take off. They've not even been up yet, but they're ready to take off. That's what's wrong with them. You know, they're getting really brave. They've not been up yet, so the last thing I need for them to get is a fright, so they kind of lost. They know the tin. And right now they're hungry. See? Come on in, come on in, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, see, there's that wee blue pie away. There you go, back down again. Come on in, come on in, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on, see, they're ready to go. Right, they're ready to go. Keep them, there you go, they're ready to go. They're ready to go. I mean, the biggest half of them are ready to take up. There are one or two of them that are there that are about 2 or 3 weeks behind the rest of them. Come on. Come on. Wee grizzle on the roof. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on in, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on. Come on in, come on. That's again. See how they're at the bowl, see how they're at the bowl. See, they're hungry, that's what's wrong. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on in, come on. I know, you're hungry. Come on in, come on. Come on. There you go, let them go up. It's all good for them, you see. They're no shying aloft when they come back down there, you know, they're no shying a landing board. They're landing on it with confidence. See, there you go. Come on. Come on, come on. Honestly, they're ready to go up, they really are, they're ready to go up. You know, you do this and you hold them and hold them and hold them for as long as you can. You know, just in case some of them get, you know, they get lost and they sit over the road or down the street or, you know, they're not that far of the loft, they're just not sure where they are. Come on, come on. Come on, there you go, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Come on, I can, you're my wee pal, aren't you? Yeah, you're my wee pal. Hey, watch this, come on in. Hey, watch this, come on in. Hey, there we go, come on, sweetheart. There you go, darling. What's that, eh? Yeah. Come on. Come on in. There you go, darling. Come on in. Come on, sweetheart. There you go. Want some more? Want some more? Come on. There's 29 youngins here. Come on, come on. Come on. Right, let's go and see if we can get them in. They'll come in, they bother. They'll come in, they bother. What is, eh? Aye. They'll come in, they bother. Come on. Just so, here we go. There we go. There you go, there's somebody, I've just put 3 here. Hey, hey. Let's stick this camera, it's really awkward, man. There we go, right, let's do this. Let's do this. Come on in, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, in you come, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, in you come, come on. Come on, come on, in you come, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, in you come, come on. Come on, in you come, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, son, clever boy, come on. There you go. Come on, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on, in you come, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on, come on. Stuck some in. Come on. Get back out. Come on in, come on. Come on. There they are. That's not them all. There's about 5 out on the roof of this hut. So here they come, here they come. Here they come. Come on. Right guys, I'll catch you all in the next video. Cheery cheery.